In this Autodesk Fusion tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw an egg using a pentagon and simple arcs. The first step to drawing an egg from a pentagon with arcs is to create a sketch. Select Create Sketch and select this side plane. Then under the Sketch Create menu, select Create Polygon, Circumscribed Polygon. Click on the origin, then drag out. By default, it'll say 6, but press Tab, and then you can say 5. This will make a pentagon. Select the vertical and horizontal constraint and click one of the lines. Give the whole thing a dimension, let's say 50. Now we need to draw some construction lines. So press L, and then over in the sketch palette, click Construction for the line type. This will draw dotted lines. Basically, now we're going to draw lines all the way across the piece, connecting these different points. So far, so good. Now we need to draw a line straight across just like this. But we need all the points to be coincident. So that can be a little tricky. So select Create, Point. Zoom in, and first we'll click this point. Now we can use the coincident constraint on this line and this point. So now those are constrained. Now that we have this lower horizontal line, press L to get the line tool again, from the bottom corner to the top, and then back down to the bottom. We need to insert a few more points. So click Create, Point. Select here and here. Press L for the line tool, and we'll draw from these horizontal line points up to this point. Then from this point down to this horizontal line point. Now we have all the construction lines we need, so we'll turn off construction for the line type. Select Create, Arc, Center Point Arc. For the top of the egg, I can click this point and then drag my arc across to these 2 points. For the sides of the egg, click over here, then click the top arc and this point. Repeat for the other side by clicking on this side, then this arc to this point. And finally, for the bottom of the egg, click this point from here to here. Now we're ready to revolve the egg, but we need a line in the middle to serve as half of the egg. So press L and click here, straight down to the bottom. So now we should have a single profile. Finish our sketch, and then in Fusion's Create menu, select Revolve. For the profile, select this side, and don't forget the little bottom part of the egg. Then for the axis, select the center part. Then press OK. And there we go. We have an egg drawn with a pentagon and simple arcs inside Autodesk Fusion. We can inspect this with zebra analysis. And if we look, it has pretty good repeating lines. There's a little bit of strangeness up at the top here, and that may be an artifact of Fusion, but these curves should run right into each other. Hopefully you can draw your own eggs using a pentagon and arcs. Happy 3D modeling.